the fact that even the most theoretical philosophy, as well as logic, higher mathematics, and other non-applied scientific areas, needs subjects for its rational operations, makes it obvious that the innermost doll of rationality, underlying all further possible configurations of rational thinking, requires a non-rational basis. And why is that, you might ask? The short answer is because we need to distinguish something as something in order to be able to relate to something, and so on. No matter if it might be distinguished as a specific concrete thing or as the most abstract theoretical thing. Like, for example, a symbol of abstract formal logic. All right, you might say, fine, but where does the non-rational occur in this regard? Well, the non-rational is the very interest behind the distinction of something as something, that is, once again, as something regardless of its nature or even absence of a defined nature. The thing is that our interest can, under all conditions, strictly speaking, not be dispassionate. And why is that? Because otherwise we would just not be able to distinguish a subject as such. In other words, without any interest, there would be nothing else than nothing. Or actually, even not nothing. You might say that you in such case would reach nirvana from a pure rational philosophical point of view. But there would simply not be any room for any kind of rational reasoning here. So it's clear that quantity is in fact derivable from quality and not the way around, that would be in line with the requirements of rationalism to secure its own fundamental consistency. So just to summarize, a subject is only possible to distinguish based on someone's certain interest of something. And this particular interest, just by being an interest in something, ruins the strict theoretical pre-requirements of consistent rationality as such. That means it demolishes the pure rational basis for objectivity, universality, and unambiguity on the most basic conceptual level. That is, on the very level of conceptual elements that ultimately form our rational concepts, theories, and world picture.